It's easy to export pupil logins in Purple Mash. Simply log in as yourself and click on Admin. In here, click on Print Pupil Logins. Select your class, group, or individual, and then select your format. You can export PDF login cards, individual letters to parents, or an Excel file. If we choose PDF login cards and click on Export, when we open this, we'll be able to see the PDF login cards for the children. Back in Purple Mash, if we had selected individual letters to parents, we can choose to include the parent code and the involve parents text when we export. When I open this one to print, I've got one page of information per child with their login cards at the top. The last option was an Excel file. This opens up an Excel document with all the details of my pupil logins.